In this video, we're going to learn how to factor perfect square trinomials. Now, what is a perfect square trinomial? A trinomial is a perfect square if it is of the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, or a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now, to factor a perfect square trinomial, we use the following formula. A squared plus 2ab plus b squared equals a plus b squared, and a squared minus 2ab plus b squared equals a minus b squared. So how do we know if a trinomial is a perfect square? Let's say we have 4x squared plus 12x plus 9. Now take the square root of the leading coefficient 4, which is 2, and the square root of the constant term 9, which is 3. Now get their product and multiply by 2. Now if the result is equal to the coefficient of the middle term, then this is a perfect square trinomial. Now to factor this, we have to get a and b. Now since a squared equals 4x squared, then a equals 2x. And since b squared equals 9, then b equals 3. So therefore, using the formula, 4x squared plus 12x plus 9 is equal to 2x plus 3 squared, which is equal to 2x plus 3 times 2x plus 3. Now let's say we have x squared plus 4x plus 4. Now take the square root of the leading coefficient 1, which is 1, and the square root of the constant term 4, which is 2. Now get their product and multiply by 2. Now since the result is equal to the coefficient of the middle term 4, then this is a perfect square trinomial. Now to factor this, we have to get a and b. Now since a squared equals x squared, then a equals x. And since b squared equals 4, then b equals 2. So therefore, using the formula, x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to x plus 2 squared, which is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 2. If we have 9x squared minus 6x plus 1, take the square root of the leading coefficient 9, which is 3, and the square root of the constant term 1, which is 1. Now get their product and multiply by 2. Now since the result is equal to the coefficient of the middle term 6, then this is a perfect square trinomial. Now to factor this, we have to get a and b. Now since a squared equals 9x squared, then a equals 3x. And since b squared equals 1, then b equals 1. So therefore, using the formula, 9x squared minus 6x plus 1 is equal to 3x minus 1 squared, which is equal to 3x minus 1 times 3x minus 1. So that's how to factor a perfect square trinomial. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.